Jeff Koenig, Property Prep, and gentlemen, and the few ladies who watch us, there's probably two of you, I have a treat for you. This is a sale that I saw happening both at Ace Hardware and on Amazon for a Craftsman product, which traditionally I wouldn't buy, a new Craftsman, although the overdrive anti-slip wrenches are really good. But other than that, probably wouldn't buy a Craftsman. But for $19.99, this 3/8 set is pretty incredible. Let's dig into it and show you a little bit about it and figure out whether this is something you want to try and risk your 20 bucks on. I did put this in the Father's Day 2026 recommendation list, even though I haven't tested it. I do think it's got a great tool set for the price. We'll leave a link down in the description to that 2026 Father's Day gift guide. There's tons of great items on there, and if this one is not what you want, there are some other options. What's unique about this, beyond the $19.99 price tag that it's currently on sale for, is that it's a 3/8 option and not a 1/4 inch option like the Harbor Freight kneading tools and some of the other sets that I've shown you throughout the years. 3/8 is something that we're not using a ton in maintenance unless we're working on a piece of machinery or unistrut or something bigger, but it's definitely something that we keep in the truck, not in our tool bags. And I wanted to talk to you about this. This would be great also for automotive at home, small engine repair, and you have two options when you buy this. It comes in both SAE and metric, and this is 24-piece Craftsman 3/8 set. It's part of the VersaStack line, which I guess means that these all stack together. I'm not in the VersaStack ecosystem, but I guess you could stack all of your stuff together similarly to the way that Milwaukee, Klein, Rigid, Harbor Freight, everyone else has these new plastic stacking systems. I don't know that this seems like it would hold up well enough that I would keep it in some sort of stack that I was mobile with, but I think that for $19.99 you really can't go wrong with this, even if you have to warranty something out, which isn't as easy as it used to be because Sears doesn't exist anymore. I think these are made in Taiwan. Let's see. Yep, made in Taiwan. HO in Taiwan. Fabriqué à Taiwan. I don't speak French, but if you speak French, comment down below and let me know how my French is. I don't think it's great. But Stanley Black & Decker owns Craftsman, and they have for a while. The quality is hit or miss, but again, for the price, I think it's worthwhile. Let's go over what's in this set and show you why I think this is such a great deal. So let's start with the sockets. These are shallow sockets. There are no deeps here. They do have really great visible numbering with the part number, with the Craftsman logo here. There's a bit of laser engraving, but it's not deep enough to be knurling that you can get a purchase on. I don't know why this is here other than to identify it as Craftsman. And there's also numbers printed here in this case if you decide to keep it in this case and not move it to your toolbox. There's a little bit of imperfections in the chroming on the inside. It's $19, so we have to expect that the quality is not perfect, but this should pass, and the warranty process is probably not as easy as when Sears Roebuck existed, and you could go in and just buy these off the shelf. But I do know people who have taken them to Lowe's, and also people who have called in and done the warranty process online. It seems relatively seamless. If you're looking for the best local warranty process, probably Home Depot Husky brand or Harbor Freight Icon brand, but they're not going to be priced like this. So let's put those away and let's go to the ratchet. What's unique about this ratchet is that it's really, really slim. Here's a standard 3/8 Koken of the pretty much the exact same size, and you can see side to side the difference here. It's pretty remarkable. There is a detent here. The paw has a hole down the middle to eject the socket. That can cause some issues with this being sturdy, but I'm not sure you're going to be wrenching hard enough on your $19 set to break it, and you can warranty it if not. Most sets just have the ball detent right here. It says forward and reverse. It's a little clunky. It's 90 tooth. It's not the smoothest 90 tooth. And there's a little bit of back drag. Actually, a lot of back drag. So it's no koken, but again, $19 for the whole set. So, and it's really slim, gets you into better places. There's also an extension here. So, got you cooking with grease if you need to get in somewhere a little bit further away. In addition to the ratchet and the sockets, you are going to have the bit driver, and this has a rail with pretty much all of your essentials. You could add a few and subtract a few. I don't use a number 1 Phillips or a number 3 very often. I would probably have 2 number 2s. It's got Torx. I may have some ball ends in here instead, and tell me what bits you would add or subtract from this rail. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bits here, starting at around, I believe, T15, and then it's got your number 1, number 2, and number 3 Phillips, and your number 1 and number 2 flat blades. Let's go over the sockets that are included and see if there are any skips. Let's see, in 3/8 shallow, we have no skips from 8 to 19 except for a 9, which I don't think you're going to use a 9 for anything. If you use a 9, tell me down below what a 9 is used for. I don't know that I've ever used a 9. So this is a great product for the price. I haven't tested it out, but for $19.99, I'd pick one up right now. They're on sale on Amazon. Link down in the description below. Test it out. Tell me if you have this set. This is the CRAFTSMAN 24-piece mechanics tool set, and it is on sale right now in both metric and SAE. Great gift idea, great for your truck, great to give to someone who's an apprentice, and I think it's wonderful. If you have a competitor to this at a reasonable price, leave that down below. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love for you to continue to follow us on our journey to 5,000 subscribers. We'll see you on the next video.